Hi dear students, a warm welcome to the English session. In today's session, I would like to take up Unit 6 Poetry When You Are Old. When You Are Old poem is written by William Butler Yeats, shortly known as W.B. Yeats. He was a great Irish poet. He is considered one of the modern poets of 2000th century. And he has contributed a lot towards English literature, and he was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1923. After receiving Nobel Prize, he has created his own footprint in the field of literature. Thus, he had contributed a lot towards English literature. Before dive into the poetry, I would like to bring two words. Importantly, they are love and infatuation. What do you mean by love and what do you mean by infatuation? So love is nothing but a profound and caring affection towards someone. A profound and caring affection towards someone. Then what about infatuation? Infatuation is nothing but an unreasoning attraction for sexual things. So love is different and infatuation is different. And youngsters, many of youngsters, they have infatuation feeling. They just attract towards the physical beauty. I think this physical beauty is transient. Love is permanent and beauty is transient. Here, poet W.B. Yeats, he brings out his own true love and he expressed his true and unforgettable love in the poem When You Are Old. Here he imagines his beloved in the future and she must regret for taking bad decision. When you are old is begin with the when you are old and grey and full of sleep. And nodding by the fire, take down the book and slowly read. Dream of the soft look your eyes had once and of their shadow deep. Dear student, When You Are Old is W.B. Yeats' memorable poem. In the memorable poem, he brings the theme. The theme of the poem is nothing but love. In the theme of the poem, he pressurizing and give importance to the love and it is expressed in a unique manner. And it is said that several times W.B. Yeats, he expressed his love. One of the Irish lady, she was named Maud Gonne. So he had a deep love, affection and affair with Maud Gonne. But she rejected his proposal. He loved her from the heart deeply. He was the one who loved her from the heart and he could notice or he could see her as pilgrimage soul. But many loved her just physical beauty. Let us discuss the poem by line. When you are old and grey and full of sleep. Poet W.B. Yeats, he brings out here, he imagines his beloved who just rejected his proposal and she is still young. But now, with the immense regret, as she rejected his proposal, he felt very sad. He wanted to make her to realize her mistake. He is writing a book of poem. Now, he imagines his beloved in the old age when Maud Gonne became old grandma as she lost her all the strength, stamina, physical beauty at the time when she was in a when she will be in a solitary confinement. When she is old, she must recall how her life was in her youth. That W.B. Yeats, he wants to make her realize. When you are old and grey and full of sleep, In the first line, he addresses, W.B. Yeats addresses his former beloved Maud Gonne. She rejected his proposal on the tension or the bad impression. He is writing a poetry to read in her old time. She must recall how deeply he loved her, what bad decision she has taken, everything she should regret and realize her mistake. That is why he is writing a book of poem. When you are old, when Maud Gonne is in old, aged one or granny, grey, full of sleep. Yes, when we assume or approach old or aging, yes, we cannot walk straightly, we can't read books or do works quickly, so we lose our stamina, strength, energy, everything. So when you are old, here you refers is beloved, W.B. is beloved, you are old. So old is a word, adjective, that is used to describe noun or pronoun. Here pronoun you. Who does you refer? Maud Gonne. When she is old and grey and full of sleep. As approached the old, our hair color changed from black to grey color and then silver color. So when she is old, her hair is full of grey and she is in a drowsy state. As she has no energy, no stamina, she is like a nodding and she is unable to walk fastly or quickly, and she depends someone else. At the time, in her olden days, she must remember how W.B. Yeats deeply had a affection, true love, unforgettable love on her. But she rejected. So she must regret for her past, what she did in her past, why she left him, that she must recall. Old and full of sleep, she is in a drowsy state, in old at the aging, and nodding by the fire. Yes, in order to keep her body warm, she may sit. Okay, old people or aged people, they may sit nearby the fire just to overcome from the external cold. Yes, when she is sitting nearby the fire, how? Nodding. Nodding means as she has no energy or stamina or strength, she is just to keep her head down and up. At this state, take down the book. What book he is writing now? About her. That book she must take and she should read. Why she wants to read? She must recollect the feelings or the love, the true love which showed by W.B. Yeats in her past. She should recollect. So he is writing a book. He feels regret because of taking the bad decision by Maud Gonne. That's what he wants her to. He wants her to read the book and he wants to make her realize what bad decision she has taken by rejecting the proposal of W.B. Yeats. So when she is old and her physical structure like grey and full of sleep, when she was young, she was so charming and had attractive beauty. She was attracted by many men in the society. So she did not consider, or she did not understand the true love which showed by W.B. Yeats. When she was young, she was so charmed and had attractive beauty. So in her pride, she rejected him. When you are old and grey and full of sleep and nodding by the fire, nearby the fireplace or oven, or in American country and all, people keep fire in a box just to keep their body warm. There, yes, nearby sitting, she must do take down the book. Here book refers the book which is written by, yes, William Butler Yeats regarding when you are old. And slowly read dream of the soft look. Slowly. Why she wants to read slowly? Because she is in her old age. She cannot read fastly. She must take the book and she has to read it slowly and dream of the soft look. Here, soft look refers her physical beauty. When she was young, she had such a charm and attractive figure. But when she assumed old granny, she lost all her physical beauty and strength. So, she must recollect the past or youthful glorious days what she spent in her pride, and slowly read the book of poems which is written by W.B. Yeats, and she should recollect the memories of her youth which was really glorious and wonderful days to her. Yes. The soft look refers here her physical beauty. She was liked by many. She was attracted by many. But when she reached the old granny stage, none would be there with her. Nobody would be there with her to take care and deeply love like this W.B. Yeats. And slowly read, dream of the soft look. She must remember her past, her youthful days, how it was colorful, how glorious one. Your eyes had once, and of their shadow deep. One can make out from her eyes how beauty she was. She had such a elegant and such a bright figure, and she had such a beauty. So her eyes were so beautiful. In her youth, she rejected this innocent and poor W.B. Yeats' love. Even when a love state comes, we should remember here one thing: a relationship with love and faithfulness. Anybody can show love to someone else. It is not important showing love, but we should be very faithful to the love which is shown by someone else. Love is not like a tissue paper. It is not use and throw. Once if you started to love someone, you should show your love till their death. I mean, whatever ups and downs comes in their life, we should be there with them. So you know, our quote, a friend in need is friend indeed. We should not be there with the lover in their happiness only. We must be there with their sorrow and distressed condition also. That is what poet is making her understanding. In her past, in her olden days, she must recall her youthful days, even though he showed sincere love to her, but she didn't understand about his love. How many loved your moments of glad grace and loved your beauty with love, false or true. Here, glad grace. Glad grace is a term is referred as alliteration. So alliteration means the occurrences of the sound or the letter in the beginning of the word continuously. Glad grace, live, learn, rascal ran. These are the terms we can consider as what? Alliteration. The sound and the letter, the first letter with consonant which continuously comes in two words. So here, how many loved your moments of glad grace? As I told you that she had such an attractive personality. So she was loved by many people in her native and surrounding. They loved her just for her physical beauty, outer beauty. But W.B. Yeats, he loved her inner beauty. He did not show her superficial love. He showed her noble love, and he would be ready to be with her in all the walks of life. Whatever difficulty, sorrow, if she gets in all the ways, he should be ready with her walk or her footsteps. But how many loved your moments of glad grace. She had such a physical beauty that was loved by many, but they would not be there in her distressed condition or in her suffering time. When she attained old age, none would be there with her. But if she had married W.B. Yeats, he would be there with her forever in all the ups and downs, in all the walks of life. And loved your beauty with love, false or true. In the fifth line, how many men in our society, they loved her just for her external beauty. That is true, that may be true or false. That love was not true. But the love which showed by W.B. Yeats was true and unforgettable. So he says that my beloved, she had taken bad decision. Now at the age, in her old age, she must take the book of my poems and she should read and she should recall her past. When she will read this book, she can realize her mistake, that losing of a good lover as well as losing of her importance in olden days. So dear students, in this session we have discussed about when you are old partly, and remaining part we will discuss it in the next session. Thank you students.